Real lemon versus bottled lemon juice, what are you really getting? Lemon juice is a staple in many kitchens, especially among those following a ketogenic or whole food lifestyle. From salad dressings and marinades to warm lemon water in the morning, this simple citrus ingredient is often associated with freshness and health. But not all lemon juice is created equal. There is a significant difference between squeezing a fresh lemon and pouring lemon juice from a bottle. Understanding how bottled lemon juice is manufactured helps explain why many nutrition-conscious individuals prefer the real thing. The simplicity of fresh lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is exactly what it sounds like, juice extracted directly from a lemon. When you cut and squeeze a lemon, you get the natural liquid containing vitamin C, citric acid, flavonoids, and aromatic oils from the fruit. These compounds contribute not only to the flavor but also to the potential health benefits of lemons. Fresh juice also contains natural enzymes and delicate plant compounds that are easily affected by heat and prolonged storage. When consumed shortly after squeezing, the juice retains its full flavor profile and nutritional value. For those following a ketogenic lifestyle, fresh lemon juice is a simple, natural ingredient that fits perfectly into a whole food approach. How bottled lemon juice is manufactured. Bottled lemon juice found in supermarkets may start with real lemons, but the journey from orchard to bottle involves several industrial processes designed to extend shelf life and maintain consistency. First, lemons are mechanically washed, sorted, and pressed in large industrial facilities. The juice is extracted using high-pressure machines that separate the liquid from the pulp, seeds, and peel. After extraction, the juice is typically filtered and clarified to remove remaining solids. While this creates a uniform product, it also strips away some of the natural components that give fresh lemon juice its vibrant flavor. The next step is where the biggest changes occur: pasteurization. To make the juice shelf-stable, manufacturers heat it to high temperatures to kill bacteria and extend its storage life. While this process is important for food safety, heat can degrade certain nutrients and alter the natural flavor. Because pasteurization and storage can dull the taste, manufacturers sometimes adjust the flavor profile. In some products this may involve adding lemon oil, lemon essence, or other natural flavor compounds to recreate the brightness of fresh juice. To keep bottled lemon juice stable for long periods, preservatives such as sodium metabisulfite or potassium metabisulfite may also be added in some brands. These compounds help prevent spoilage and discoloration but can be problematic for people sensitive to sulfites. In many cases the juice is also concentrated and later reconstituted with water before bottling. Concentration reduces storage and transportation costs but further distances the product from its original fresh state. Flavor, nutrition, and practicality. Fresh lemon juice generally provides a brighter, more complex flavor because it contains volatile aromatic compounds that degrade during processing and storage. Nutritionally, fresh juice also tends to retain slightly higher levels of vitamin C and beneficial plant compounds. Bottled lemon juice, however, does have practical advantages. It is convenient, has a long shelf life, and is always available when fresh lemons are not. For cooking applications where lemon is not the dominant flavor, bottled juice may work perfectly well. But when lemon is meant to shine, such as in salad dressings, seafood dishes, or morning lemon water, freshly squeezed juice often delivers a noticeably better result. A whole food perspective. For people embracing a ketogenic or whole food lifestyle, the general principle is simple: the closer a food is to its natural state, the better. Fresh lemons are minimally processed, free from preservatives, and rich in natural compounds that contribute to both flavor and nutrition. That does not mean bottled lemon juice must be avoided completely, but understanding how it is produced allows consumers to make more informed choices. Sometimes the simplest option, cutting open a lemon and squeezing it, remains the most natural one. Disclaimer: this article is intended for general informational and entertainment purposes only. It is not medical advice, and it should not be used as a substitute for professional diagnosis or treatment. Always seek the guidance of a qualified healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet, lifestyle, exercise routine, or medication. Stay updated on the latest news, connect, interact and more on KetoNet, available on the Apple Store and Google Play.